So your check engine light is staring you down, and you have pulled a P049E code regarding your EGR valve, but have no idea what exceeded learning limit actually means or how to fix it without spending a fortune at the dealership. Don't worry, because while this sounds like complex computer speak, it is actually a very specific issue with your exhaust gas recirculation system that we can diagnose. This code usually pops up on OBD2 equipped vehicles, like Dodge Rams with Cummins engines, Duramax trucks, or even your daily driver Honda or Hyundai. Essentially, your powertrain control module, or PCM, is telling you that the step-down EGR valve is malfunctioning in a specific position, which we call position B. Think of the learning limit like a physical boundary. The computer expects the valve to move within a certain range, and if the valve gets stuck, clogged with carbon, or pushed beyond those minimum and maximum parameters, the computer sets this code. It is trying to recycle spent exhaust gas to cool down the combustion cylinders and reduce NOx emissions, which are bad for the ozone, but right now it cannot find the right position. The good news is that this is not usually a catastrophic engine killer, but you might notice slightly worse fuel economy or some drivability roughness. To fix this, we need to be systematic. First, grab your scanner and write down all the data, then clear the code and take a drive to see if it comes back immediately. I highly recommend checking for Technical Service Bulletins, or TSBs, for your specific year and model, because sometimes this is just a software glitch that the manufacturer has an update for. If the code persists, you need to get your hands dirty. Locate that EGR valve and inspect the wiring harness carefully, especially since these wires run near very hot exhaust components that can melt insulation or cause shorts. If the visual check looks okay, you will need a digital volt ohm meter. Disconnect the controllers and test the resistance and continuity of the EGR circuits against your manufacturer's pinout chart. If the wiring is good, the issue is likely the valve itself being clogged or broken, or in rare cases, the PCM. Most of the time, replacing the EGR assembly solves this, but testing the wiring first saves you from buying a part you do not need.